Hello everyone, today we're diving into the vibrant world of a local market. I'm so excited to practice my English conversation skills here. The atmosphere is just incredible, full of life and unique finds. Let's explore and see what delicious things we can discover today. Good morning. These fruits look absolutely wonderful. Could you tell me a bit about these beautiful red apples? Certainly, these are Honeycrisp apples. Very sweet and crisp. They're freshly picked from a local orchard this morning. Oh, that sounds delicious. How much are they per pound? They are $2.50 a pound. We also have some fantastic peaches. Are those peaches also local? They look incredibly juicy. Yes, absolutely. All our produce comes from farms nearby. The peaches are perfect for a summer snack or a delicious pie. I'll definitely keep that in mind. Thank you for the information. Now, let's check out the vegetables. I need some fresh greens. Good to see you again. What can I help you with today? Hi, I'm looking for some fresh spinach. Do you have any today? We certainly do. Our spinach just arrived this morning. Very fresh. It's perfect for salads or a quick sort. Excellent. I'll take a bunch. And what about these bell peppers? They look so vibrant. Are they sweet or more on the savory side? These are sweet bell peppers, ideal for stir-fries or stuffing. They're very popular with our customers for their fresh taste. I'll take 2 red ones, please. Do you have any tips for storing them? Keep them in the crisper drawer of your fridge. They'll stay fresh for weeks. That's great advice. Thank you. I appreciate the help. This market is truly a treasure trove of fresh produce and friendly faces. Look at these beautiful flowers. They add such a lovely touch to the market. And over there, someone is buying freshly baked bread. The smell is amazing. It's wonderful to see so many local businesses thriving here. I've gathered everything I need. Time to make my final purchase. All right, I'd like to buy the spinach, the 2 bell peppers, and 3 of those Honeycrisp apples. Excellent choices. Let me get these weighed and bagged for you. That will be $12.75, please. Here you go. Thank you so much for your help and the wonderful produce. You're very welcome. Enjoy your fresh ingredients. Come back soon. What a fantastic experience. I got everything I needed and had great conversations. It's not just about shopping. It's about connecting with the community. I highly recommend visiting your local market. It's a wonderful way to practice English. You'll find fresh produce, friendly people, and plenty of opportunities to chat. Thanks for joining me on this market adventure. See you next time.